jaban kan tiu shu ïaka kam jngohkai perthei menteri rangba kajala ukorat sangma harangkat kejingdon langjung menteri katanat kam jngohkai perthei bopol langdo hene sengi kala plie pajba ikijaka sa jong ki bawan jngohkai hamau plang ya gini ki yeng ki balaisnal khot kerteng kum ga travelers nest hakasnong Kyiem mau plang iskasil district ka traveler nest ka don santali ki yeng ni ki cottage bat ka restaurant man penbiang ya kejingdon kam jong ki bawan hakni ke caka ya ka Kyiem travelers nest lamang pisa da ka Meghalaya Age Limited langba ka Meghalaya Rural Tourism Cooperative Federation hakni ke sengi menteri rangba la pelat baru iki kali kit nang wan jngohkai pertai bala IT iki syaki badai hok pan yo
You guys can go. Don't come.
Will remember the experience that they have. The smile on your face is what they will remember. The kindness that you show towards them, that is what they will keep in their hearts. The kind of courtesy that you show towards them is what they will speak about when they go back home. And I think that is so important that we don't miss that part. And that's where the public and the community comes in. I urge all of you, have awareness programs. Discuss with the village. Discuss with each and every one. So that when the tourist comes here, they should go back with a magnificent experience. We want a magnificent Meghalaya. It will be only magnificent if each and every one of us is involved in it, and magnificent if our tourists who come here will have a magnificent experience. Biofertilizer plant in Meghalaya. We want to be an organic state to whatever extent we can, 100% if possible, but it is a challenge. But in order to be able to achieve that goal, we can't do it without the production of organic fertilizers. We produce 50,000 metric. 5 years will be one of the most defining moments for the state of Meghalaya. What we have achieved in the last 50 years, our vision for the next 50 years will be determined on what we do in the next 5 years. And that is the vision with which we are moving forward. But we can't do it alone. Big states, big economies, speak about their model. We hear the Gujarat model, we hear the UP model, we hear the Maharashtra model. I tell people, no state is the same. And hence, if we try to do a Gujarat model in Meghalaya, it won't work. Meghalaya is unique. Meghalaya has got its own strengths, and hence we must realize those strengths, focus on them, and build our economy in a sustainable manner on those strengths that we have. And if somebody were to ask me what is our biggest strength, I'll tell you. The biggest strength of Meghalaya is its communities. The way in the last many decades and centuries, the way our communities and the social structure in the community has upheld and worked and gone through the test of time to reach where we are today is testimony of how strong this institutional setup is. The view will be of the valley will be behind, and I feel it's something that is not incorporated in the current design. But apart from that, I hope that the rest of the area will also develop, and really I hope that local tourists as well as tourists from outside will come. Having said that, I just want to share, I'm still in my momentum of the August 15th speech. So you have to excuse me if I speak a bit more than I should be speaking.